To remove the cabinet lock, you first will need to remove the top two shelves. When you remove the top two drawers in the cart, you'll be able to see the two screws holding the lock housing in place. So first thing you'll need to do is remove the two Phillips head screws. Once you remove the two screws, you'll need to turn the lock into the unlock position and slide the lock housing out. Once you remove the lock housing from the cart, next thing you'll need to do is take your new lock housing. You'll need your key for the core and the lock. You will slide the housing and the core into the opening, and you'll need to guide the housing through to make sure it fits, and turn the key to depress the pin. After putting the lock housing back into the hole, make sure that your lock bar and the back of the housing are lined up, and then put in the two Phillips head screws and tighten up snug. Then push your lock housing back in. You'll hear a click, the pin will go into place, and the lock housing is installed. To remove the cabinet lock, you first will need to remove